Hello my friends, Rune here again with another unboxing video from my favorite toy shop, Game On. So, let's see what they have sent me today. I will use my homemade knife for opening. I will not just rip the whole package apart. I might have to reuse the paper later. I don't know. We will see. Good thing about video is that you can always fast forward if you find this part boring. Okay. So it's the Umarex Legends M1A1 airgun replica of the Tommy gun made by Thompson. Let's open it up. Let's see how it looks like inside. User manual, and almost looks like wood. It's a bit darker than what I've seen on videos, because they was rather light in color. Sits inside a plastic bag, and here we have a 30 round stick magazine. Yes, and a key for putting in the CO2 canister. So, stay tuned for more videos. I hope you like my little unboxing video, and thank you for watching.